We begin with news coming in from Delhi, especially over the school fee hike row. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has slammed the abnormal hikes put in by certain schools. Rekha Gupta has backed the case of the parents and has warned private schools that no school can harass parents or their children in the form of arbitrary fee hikes and cannot threaten children with expulsion. The Chief Minister has put these private schools on notice. Let me go across to my colleague Kritika joining us with more details. Kritika, take us through what really has led to this entire row going out.
Well, Ritangshu, fee hike is something that we're seeing being raked up by Aam Aadmi Party as well. In fact, for the last one whole month, we're seeing multiple protests that have taken place with this being the beginning of the academic year for a lot of students, in fact, from classes 1 till classes, in fact 12. We're seeing that a lot of schools have passed orders demanding a fee hike. Now, this is what parents are protesting over. Remember, there is a court case as well pending in the Delhi High Court, wherein the directions were that for any private school as well, which is built on government land, has to first take permission from the Directorate of Education, in fact, before increasing fee hike. But this order was stayed in Delhi High Court. There is confusion over whether other private schools that are unaided can do it or not. And in fact, Ashish Sood, the current education minister, had also hit out and said that about 75 schools only out of the over 1,100 schools that exist in the national capital have only been audited in the last 10 years by the Aam Aadmi Party. So there does not exist a mechanism wherein it can be checked which schools are increasing their fees by following norms and which are doing it arbitrarily. So this is the point of contention which has been going on for about a month now in the national capital. And today, students and parents of in fact students who study in Queen Mary School in Model Town had approached CM Rekha Gupta at her residence in Shalimar Bagh. This was a part of the Jan Samvad that she holds at her residence, and therein they had complained about how multiple students were in fact locked up in the library as well, were not allowed to attend their classes, and were being pressurized. Their parents were also being pressurized by the school to pay the inflated fee. Now the CM has clarified that the Bharatiya Janata Party is committed towards having a zero tolerance policy towards any sort of harassment that goes on in such cases, and in fact has also called representatives from the school to the Delhi Secretariat as well to question them over this behavior. In the past as well, Education Minister Ashish Sood has in fact detailed an order. The DOE has also detailed an order that an investigation will be taking place into these schools that are arbitrarily raising their fees. Now, what that means is that a lot of schools, in fact, that Mr. Ashish Sood had also pointed out earlier, did show that they are turning, in fact, a lot of revenue through their operations and do not need to increase their fees. In these cases, it is not allowed for such schools to increase their annual fee as well, and this is definitely without an audit. So now all of these accounts will be checked up by the Education Minister. A committee led by the SDM for each district has also been constituted, which have to visit each school and garner information from them, and accordingly an investigation will be leveled. But a lot of politics is also going on over this. Aam Aadmi Party has been repeatedly alleging that for the last 10 years there was no school, in fact, where any fee hike happened, and it is only the BJP which is in cahoots, in fact, with the education mafia in Delhi, and these private schools have representation directly with the BJP, and that is why the fees is being increased. All these allegations have been, in fact, denied by the Bharatiya Janata Party by itself, saying that they have not conducted sufficient audits and have in the past allowed schools that do show a revenue, a surplus revenue as well, to multiple times increase their fees by 13 to 25%. Over to you.
All right, Kritika, thanks a lot for getting us all those details. Let's listen into the Chief Minister's bite while we continue with the broadcast.
क्वीन मैरी स्कूल मॉडल टाउन, आप इनको आज वहाँ बुलाइए सचिवालय और इनको कह दीजिए कि हम इनका जो रजिस्ट्रेशन है ना वो कैंसिल करने जा रहे हैं। आप ये मैसेज देके इनको बुलाइए। क्या हुआ बेटा, क्या हुआ? फीस नहीं भर सकते, अपने बच्चों को स्कूल से निकाल दो।
गैर कानूनी फीस न भरने के कारण हमारे बच्चे को स्कूल से क्वीन मैरी स्कूल मॉडल टाउन दिल्ली 9 के अंदर क्वीन मैरी स्कूल है, गैर कानूनी फीस जो स्कूल ने लास्ट ईयर बढ़ाई थी, हमने वो नहीं पे की, बाकी मंथली पे की। बट स्कूल ने हमारे बच्चे को पूरा दिन बंधक बना के लाइब्रेरी कॉन्फ्रेंस में रखा। बच्चे को टॉयलेट तक नहीं जाने दिया गया, पानी तक नहीं पीने दिया गया। बच्चे ने घर पे आके कंप्लेंट्स की हमें, हम स्कूल प्रशासन के पास गए, स्कूल में हमने कंप्लेंट्स की। उनका रवैया आज भी यही है, जस्ट अभी अभी कॉल आई है कि अपने बच्चे को यहाँ से ले जाइए जब तक आप फीस नहीं भरेंगे।